Hi guys, welcome to the channel. To get more information about space and universe, please do subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, in this video, let us discuss about formation of our earth. Formation of earth is one of the mystery of universe. Formation of our earth is not in a single step at all. It took a lot of steps. Nearly 4.6 billion years ago, our home planet was formed. The most famous theory to explain the formation of earth was core acceleration model. Do you know the formation of earth took place in 4 stages? Let me explain you. Scientists believed that the terrestrial planets like earth are formed several years ago by clumping together of dust and gases into a hot bulb of molten metal and rock. And then the 4 stages are formed. In those 4 stages, the first one is differentiation, second is scattering, third is flooding, fourth is surface evolution. If we observe Earth today, Earth has laid with iron core, a weathered, shifting surface, water and life. This shows that the Earth has overcome all the 4 stages of formation. The first stage of formation of Earth is differentiation. As a body becomes larger, it attracts planetesimals and becomes a planet. The energy generated by the frequent impact being a process of differentiation, whereby the materials are separated according to density. These dense materials migrate to the core, which are attracted by gravity, whereas the finer materials and the lighter materials form crust and early atmosphere of the Earth. The second stage is cratering. The crust of the newly formed planet eventually cools, but the shelling of the planetesimals that created it in the first place to continues. Because the planet no longer molten, the impact forms craters. Craters means a small hole on the surface of the Earth. In the early stage of planetary formation, the number of impacts is very high. Third stage is flooding. While second stage still in process, as a portion of the result of it, the crust of the planet fractures and the lava bursts through and flows over the land, smoothing the craters and filling them. In case of Earth, water vapor also flowed through fissures during the stage of planetary formation. The water vapor rose into the atmosphere and fell to the ground as a rainfall and formed ocean. Fourth one. The last stage of planetary formation is surface evolution, which lasts for billions of years. The surface of the planet is slowly altered by the movements of tectonic plates and effect of atmospheric movements and water. The collision of tectonic plates pushes up the mountains and shifts continents from one place to another place, while rain and wind slowly wear away the surface and remove all the traces of zodiac in the early stages of planetary formation. In case of Earth, radioactivity in the core actually makes it hotter than it was when it formed, which may be the one and only main reason for the condition to support life evolved. Up to now, we have learned about Earth formation. Now, let us learn about its structure. Radius is 6,400 kilometers. Surface area of Earth is 510.1 million square kilometers. Distance from Sun to Earth is 150 million kilometers. Mass is 5.972 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs. Maximum temperature is 134 degrees Fahrenheit and it was registered in California. Minimum temperature is minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Present population on Earth is 759.43 crore people. Now let us know about layers of Earth. There are 3 types of layers on Earth. First one, crust. The Earth's crust ranges from 5 to 70 kilometers in depth and it is the outermost layer. The thin parts are ocean crust. It composes of iron, magnesium, silicate, igneous rocks and blasts. The thickest crust is continental crust. The second layer of Earth is mantle. The Earth's mantle is extended up to a depth of 2,890 kilometers, making it the thickest layer of Earth. Its mass is 4.01 into 10 to the power of 24 kgs, that is 67% of Earth's mass. The mantle is divided into 2 parts, upper mantle and lower mantle, by a transmission zone. Common silicates found in the mantle including olivine, granite, pyroxene. The other major types of rocks found in the mantle is magnesium oxide. Other mantle elements include iron, aluminium, calcium, sodium and potassium. The third layer of Earth is core. Core is divided into inner core and outer core, and core is innermost layer of Earth. The inner core with radius of 1220 kilometers and a liquid outer core extending beyond its radius of 3400 kilometers. The densities are between 9900 and 12200 kg per m3. The core is composed of 80% of iron along with nickel and one or more light elements such as lead and uranium. Recent specialization suggests that the innermost part of the core is enriched in gold, platinum and other pseudofolic elements. Now let us know about how life began on Earth. After a time of approximately 1 to 1.5 billion years ago, the life began in the form of microbes. These microbes can survive in extreme conditions. These are cyanobacteria, which are found in the hot places inside the Earth. The earliest evidences for the life on the Earth comes from fossilized mats of cyanobacteria called as stromatolites in Greenland that are about 3.7 billion years old. These bacteria, due to genetic disorder, gave birth to another bacteria. Those bacteria processes oxygenic photosynthesis, which releases oxygen into atmosphere. As we all know, oxygen is the main important gas which is required for life. And later on, due to the changes in the DNA, all other organisms are formed and evolved one by one, which took a lot of years, mostly. That's the video guys. I hope you have learned about formation of Earth, layers of Earth and formation of life on Earth. Please do like, share and comment for better videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.